If you've watched any of my videos, and hopefully you've seen all of them. In fact, if you haven't seen them all, hit pause and go back and watch them all and then come back to this. No, I'm only kidding. Obviously, don't do that. I don't cook a lot of healthy stuff. I don't cook a lot of stuff that's healthy. I don't bake a lot of stuff that's healthy. I don't go out of my way to be unhealthy. It's just not super healthy, a lot of my stuff. But some of it is. Today, super healthy. Today, I'm just gonna show you how to make a basic, delicious, high protein, good for you smoothie that I like to have any time of the day. Let me show you how to make them. I'm Dave, you're watching Dave's Taste Buds, and welcome back. Look, like I said, I got a healthy one for you today. We're talking fresh, basic ingredients. We're gonna be making my favorite smoothie, which I call it the peanut butter and jelly smoothie, but it's got some banana in it too. So it's got a little hint of banana, but it really just tastes like a delicious peanut butter and jelly sandwich in a glass. So let's check it out. First thing we're gonna do, super healthy, I mean crazy healthy, we're gonna make our own peanut butter. Most store-bought peanut butter, unless you're getting the natural good stuff, a lot of it just has tons and tons of sugar. We're gonna stay away from that today. So let's talk about real quick what we're gonna need. We're talking equal parts frozen strawberries, frozen blueberries. We got a banana, we got some honey, we got some oat milk, and then we got our peanuts. It's super, super easy and delicious. The description below has the recipe and the amounts that you're gonna need. Obviously, this is for, I think, 1 glass, maybe 2, depending on how big your glass is. You can obviously ramp it up if you're gonna make it for more than 1 or 2 people. So now that we know what we need to make it, let's go ahead and make it. And first of all, we're gonna start by making our own peanut butter. So let's do that first. Peanut butter should have 1 or 2 ingredients, maybe 3. If you're buying peanut butter that has more than that, it's just, God knows what else they're putting in there. So basically, roasted peanuts. I got these roasted peanuts already salted, so we're not gonna even need to add salt. Peanuts, a little bit of, where'd my oil go? Typically, I would use a peanut oil to make my peanut butter. I searched everywhere, I couldn't find it in my pantry, so it's a little veg oil. So we got peanuts, splash of veg oil, and that's it. We don't even need to add salt. You could add a pinch of sugar if you wanted. It's not necessary. Grind them up. Oh, they smell so good. And all you're gonna wanna do is add your oil as you go, and then just kind of, make it to the consistency that you want. Looking good. You like a chunky peanut butter? Make it chunky. You like it super smooth? Make it super smooth. Look. Peanut butter. Peanut butter, oil. That's it. So now that our peanut butter is ready, all we gotta do is make this. And you can skip that step if you want to. If you wanna make it super, super easy, just grab your favorite peanut butter from the store and go ahead and use that. I got a couple cups. Actually, I'm gonna start with 1.5 cups of our oat milk. Again, you could also use regular milk if you wanted. We're gonna go in with our frozen strawberries, frozen blueberries. Got a strawberry. We got a banana, sliced up, going in. Get out of there. We got a little bit of honey for our extra sweetness. And we got our peanut butter. Put a couple tablespoons of that in there. Thanks to Chat GPT, below is Obviously, the recipe description, all that stuff is down there, but the nutritional information, the basic nutritional information is down there too, so check it out. And of course, you know, you can always add whatever kind of protein powder you're using. You could certainly use that too. That's it. I'm gonna blend this up. I love the color of this. And then you can always check the consistency. Let's take a look. I mean, I like mine on the thick side, but you also have to be able to drink it too, so. Yeah, you know what? I think we nailed it. Oh. I'm telling you, every time I make it, it just tastes better and better. One quick note again about the homemade peanut butter. It would actually make a great Christmas gift. Christmas is coming up. Make a bunch of your own peanut butter, put it into like small mason jars, put a little sticker on the front, call it what you want. Peter's peanut butter, Dave's peanut butter, Paula's peanut butter. Luckily, if you got a P name, you got some nice alliteration. All I'm saying is that it would make a nice gift. I've actually, a couple years ago, I gave out mason jars full of pickles that I made from my pickle episode. I also made an episode with, it's called Cowboy Candy, candied jalapenos. Oh my God, they're so good. You put those on a burger. Just look at how absolutely delicious this is. Oh, it's perfect. As it turns out, you can make a couple glasses with this. Oops. Spill, we got a spill. There we go. Look at this, it's that easy. This is absolutely perfect. It's so easy to make. It's so delicious. It's so nutritious. There's no simple sugars in here. These are complex carbohydrates from the fruit. So even if it thinks there's a lot of sugar in there, it's not the same. It's certainly not the same as like your regular white granulated table sugar. It's good for you. It's packed in protein. Add more protein if you want. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. Think about subscribing. Have a great day. And then just try to go cook something.